happy Monday. Yes, it is a little bit later, but still, I hope you had a fantastic Monday. If you are returning, welcome again. Thank you so much for being here. I greatly appreciate it. And if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. Don't forget, guys, we do have quite a few, 3 or 4 active giveaways going on right now. They will all be linked down below, so definitely check them out if you have not already. But as you can see from the title, we have the October 2019 Fruit for Thought. Y'all, this is one of my favorites. It is always so amazing. Last month was peanut butter and banana. Oh my goodness, y'all, okay. So I'm gonna tell you just a little bit about Fruit for Thought, and then we'll get into the October 2019 box. So it says, Fruit for Thought, every month, the Fruit for Thought subscription box will feature a different fruit and or vegetable theme. Your box will include a combination of products with scents, flavors, and colors that coordinate with that month's theme. Themes will always be shown in advance, and I do like that. You can definitely check out their Instagram, which I will link down below, or even sometimes the card itself that's in here will tell you the next month. I actually happen to know November and December's theme, so I'll go ahead and tell you. But it says that the boxes may include home decor, jewelry, accessories, stationery products, luxurious bath and body products, artisan items, yummy goodies, and more. So this is the October box. I'm gonna tell you November and December themes first, because when I tell y'all what the theme for October for this month is, it's gonna knock your socks off, I guarantee it. But next month, November, is grapefruit mint, and December is Candyland. But are y'all ready for October? Coffee and apple pie. What? Sign me up. What? So there are 2 different versions. I'm so excited, y'all don't even know. There are 2 different versions of the subscription. You can get the full size, which is what I have here, for $44.99 a month, and you will receive 5 to 8 specially curated items. Or you can get the mini for $31.99, and that's going to be 4 to 5. Now, what I do like is on the card that is in the box, it will actually tell us what would have been, or what would not have been in the mini. So basically it'll have everything listed, because this is the bigger box, and it'll say not in mini, or whatever. So we kind of get an idea there of what each subscription will have. And so best part, I have a promo code. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up, and I definitely recommend it, y'all, because it's so fantastic. But you can use the promo code SOUTH20 to get 20% off a full-size subscription, and there is free shipping if you go ahead and prepay for 6 months, because you can go ahead and prepay, and that way you kind of get, you save a little bit if you prepay, plus you get free shipping on 6 months or longer. So I rambled. Let's get in here and see what we got for coffee and apple pie. Y'all, I can't wait. Like, last month was amazing, and it's probably going to be really hard to beat, but I really think if something could beat the peanut butter and banana theme from last month, it's going to be the coffee and apple pie. I'm just saying. I mean, all right, so this is what it looks like every time you open it. It's so cute. With the little Fruit for Thought sticker and the ribbon. Coffee and apple pie. Yep, and then it tells you here, November theme, grapefruit mint. I'm not showing it too close because I think it's got some sneak peeks on there. And then yes, on the back it goes over everything that is in the box. So let's get in here. All right, so this is what I see. So there's something on top of the squiggly, so we'll start with that. Sniffits Mocha. Scented paper clips? What? I have never. Sniffits guaranteed to maintain their scent for 2 years? What? And it's like little coffee bean. Yo! What? Are you kidding me? This is so darn adorable. Yep. Paper clips scented with mocha. Scentconic.com. Y'all know I have to smell this, right? Like, I have to smell one of these. Let's get one of these little guys out. What? Y'all, oh my gosh, are you for real? Isn't that just so adorable? And it smells like coffee. I love coffee so much. I could literally just sit here and smell this. That is amazing. I love this. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Okay. And that would have been in both boxes. All right. And then let's see. We have, oh, yum. I love these. I don't know that I've had this brand, but I do love these. These are baked crunchy. These are apple chips and they're cinnamon. Yum. Snack on crunchy apple chips. And oh, there's another snack in here. But we'll start with this one. Those are so yummy. These would have been in both boxes. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay. Y'all, these are one of my favorites. The Cowtails. But y'all, these are caramel apple. What? And then it said, so it said snack on crunchy apple chips and chewy caramel apple Cowtails. Yes, I love these so much. And you don't find, it's hard to find the caramel apple ones. Like I can find the original a lot, but not the caramel apple, so yay. All right, so let's just, are y'all kidding me? This is an apple pie room and linen spray right here. It wouldn't be fall without the scent of warm apple pie. Your room will smell like a fresh baked apple pie, complete with Granny Smith apples, brown sugar, and cinnamon. So this is the room and linen spray. Oh, hold on, it says there's, what? Like, we're getting so spoiled. Like, for real? And an apple pie sachet, like the, oh, that smells so good. Like you can put in a drawer, or sometimes I just stick these in like my linen closet. That smells so good. Okay, let's smell this one. That literally, oh my gosh, y'all, that straight up smells like you just cut a hot apple pie. Okay, now those two items would not have been in the mini box. Oh my goodness. Purposely mismatched. I was wondering. Oh, we have some coffee socks. So you have one side that looks like that with the coffee beans, and then the other side has the coffee cups. And it says they are purposely mismatched, which I love. Warm up with the www.fridaysock.com cute purposely mismatched coffee and bean ankle socks. Can y'all tell I'm excited? What? Ah, so cute. This would have been in both boxes. Oh my goodness. Help for under eye puffiness and inflammation comes your way with this adorable roll-on made with fair trade ground coffee beans by Scrub It at Etsy. Y'all, this is a caffeinated under eye balm. First of all, how cute is that with the little flower? Apply it under the eye up to 2 times a day. It says don't get it in the eye itself. Oh, and it smells like coffee. Like that smells straight up like coffee. Mmm. Yay! Y'all, this is, oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see. Then we have, and that will be in both boxes, by the way. Then we have, it says this luxurious apple pie scented goat's milk lotion comes freshly made from the farm by Blue Heron Farm at Etsy and will soften even the driest skin. Homemade apple pie goat lotion. I know goat lotion is like goat's milk lotion and stuff is so good for your skin, and oh my, that smells just like the room spray, y'all. That literally smells, and I've smelled a lot of apple pie scented lotions, I'm not gonna lie, because it's one of my favorite fall scents. That is probably the best smelling apple pie lotion I have ever smelled. It does not smell artificial at all. That is like blowing my mind right now, how real that smells. Y'all, what? And it feels amazing. Oh, and this would have been in both boxes. And we have one more item, and this would only be in the premium, and it says the star of the box is this adorable enamel apple pie pen complete with glitter, custom designed for us by Studio Pop at Etsy. So this was specifically designed for Fruit for Thought for this box, and I'm so excited. I actually have like a little like a kind of longer lanyard type keychain, and I keep any of these little pins like this that I get in different boxes and things on there, so I can kind of remember and look at all the really cool pins. So look at that. That is so gorgeous. I actually knew about this. That's why I waited for this one to be the last one, because this was a sneak peek on Instagram. That is one good thing. You can follow her on Instagram, follow Fruit for Thought on Instagram, and you can see some sneak peeks for items. So like I said, I knew this was coming, but that is just so darn cute. So that was the October 2019 Coffee and Apple Pie Fruit for Thought box. I don't know, y'all. It's tough to say if this beat the peanut butter and banana, which I did not expect to be possible, but I think they're neck and neck. They both are so darn amazing. Like, this is just perfect. And the lotion is what's really getting me, because it does not have that artificial smell. It literally smells like you cut into a pie. Y'all, I can't, like, it's just amazing. So let me know your thoughts down below. Again, I hope you had a wonderful Monday, and I will see you guys on that. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.